Oh, Bang Bang,
Opo.
you smell each one of them.
Oh my God po. Talaga.
Yung hininga.
Delivery.
Backpacks.
Backpack for you guys. Yeah. Wow, galing.
You guys should eat onions or garlic. Ininan nila. Kailangan lahat ng
Sorry? Mahal. Can I get some water?
milk.
Matapos kumain ng sibuyas, nilagyan naman sila ng suka sa katawan.
Under.
Sa hair pala.
Really love it.
Okay, I smell that.
Put it under your arm. You have to smell. Oh. Put it. I'm so sorry for the village people.
You feel sorry for them?
Nang handa na ang tatlo, pinasama ni Biguto si Ryan para muling kilatisin ang backpackers.
Oh, Bang Bang,
Opo.
you smell each one of them.
Oh my God po. Talaga.
Yung hininga.
Bakit me? Siyempre, oh my God po.
Siyempre,
Oh my God.
Yung breath, hindi kilikili.
Oh. Opo. Ay. What did you do, huh? I miss my mom po.
Bakit?
Kasi sobrang baho po. Kasi if I want to cry, I miss my mom po.
And then, really, you wanna cry.
Oh, kumit na ka sa kanila. Oh, the three of you. Give Bang Bang a fresh breath.
Oh, masarap!